Want to learn English?
Hey Anna, I am working on my speech about saving the planet, but I feel like a robot. I use wow and oh too much.
Come now, John. You are a great writer. You just need to add some flavor.
Flavor? Like salt and pepper?
Exactly. Think of advanced interjections as word seasoning. When you say the trash is a big problem, you can say, "Good grief, look at all this pollution."
Good grief! That sounds dramatic. It means this is terrible and annoying, right?
Precisely. And when you finally found that fact you were looking for, don't just say, "Oh, I found it." Say, "Lo and behold."
Lo and behold. I like that. It sounds like a big discovery. But what if I have to talk about how sad it is that the ice is melting?
Then use alas. It's a very formal way to say unfortunately. Like, alas, the poor penguins are losing their homes.
Oh, that is very sad. Alas, the planet is in trouble. Am I doing it right?
My word, John, you are a natural. The audience is going to love your speech. They will not be bored.
Touché, Anna. Thanks for the help. But wait, what if someone asks me a really difficult question at the end? Something I don't know.
If they catch you off guard, don't just say, You can say, "Dear me, that is a challenging question." It gives you 2 seconds to think while sounding very sophisticated.
Dear me. That sounds like my grandmother, but in a cool way. What if I want to tell them that everyone's small actions actually matter?
You could start that sentence with, "Mark my words, if we all pick up one piece of plastic, the ocean will change." It makes you sound like a powerful leader.
Mark my words. I feel like a superhero now. But what if I make a mistake while speaking? Do I say, oops?
You can, but mercy me is more fun. It shows you have a sense of humor about your mistakes. It keeps the energy light in the room.
Okay, let me try to put it all together. Alas, our forests are disappearing. But mark my words, we can save them.
Excellent. You've gone from Robot Ben to Professor Ben in 5 minutes.
And if you try to take credit for my success later?
Then I shall say, "Fancy that, my student has become a master."